Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sharon Cole. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Just click the red button down below and support me on my channel. So guys, today is a brand new day and I just want to share with you guys a little tip on how I apply my lipstick. It's actually a lip matte lipstick, so I want to share with you guys how I do my red lip matte lipstick. So the products that you need, guys, is just a eye pencil and red lipstick. So what I do first, I normally apply my eye pencil as a lip liner because I like it shouting. I like my lips shouting, so I go in with my brown eye pencil. I use it like a lip liner. So this is what I do. So first you have to make sure your lips are dry. So I'm done with the lower part, so I go to the upper part. So I'm done drawing the lip liner. Then next I'm gonna take my lip matte liquid lipstick. So this is the Huda cosmetic lipstick. This is what I use. It gives me the red shouting color that I want on my lips. So we are going with this. So after you're done, you just let it dry for 2 minutes. Then afterwards, that is it. You have achieved your red lipstick looks. So guys, that is it for the video of today. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next video. Please remember to subscribe, share and like my videos. Thank you so much guys. Bye.